Well, hello everyone, it's Dr. Stevens. I wanted to do a quick overview of the new Canvas system, particularly looking at how user-friendly this new interface is. And to show you, I wanted to do it in the actual course view. I'm looking at a student view here of HST 306, the Veteran Experience, because I wanted you to be able to see it from our own standpoint, in the way that I have the course set up rather than the generic look at it that we have in the welcome. So I just wanted you to kind of look at some very simple and basic things about this interface, particularly here on the home page. You can see on this right hand side here we have that fantastic to-do list, where it lets us know whether there's announcements, whether there are journals or assignments that you need to attend to. We have obviously the regular announcements here, where you can see that you can not only reply to my announcements, but you can also like things and like the replies of your classmates and things like that. So a little bit different, obviously, than Blackboard. The announcements page, again, is just very simple. It has those particular aspects to it as well, where you can do the reply, and then you can, like I said, you can like certain replies that are there as well. The syllabus, what I like about the syllabus is it's the same typical syllabus that you would see for a course, but as you scroll through, you can see at the end here that you actually have a listing of when your assignments are due. So you have a little assignment schedule here that's really great. And you can also click on the actual assignment as well. And that will, obviously sort of keep you on your toes in terms of knowing when things are due. And I really think that that's one of the better ways that Canvas does the calendar, does the assignment schedule, and it's really easy and built into the system, where it actually will give you those great reminders that you have things to do in a course. In terms of, let's scroll up again here. In terms of the modules, I do know that some of you could not see the community forum before, and that's because you had not gone through the module. So you'll see up here it says complete all items. So once you complete these items here, you can actually see all of the modules and access all of the elements of the course. Okay. I also had some questions here about the syllabus quiz and the academic integrity agreement. And they don't have any points connected to them. It really is for you to go through it and then unlock the course. Okay. So no points connected to them, as you can see right here. So again, the community forum here is very much like hallway conversations. So when you click it on, you can see that you can create a thread here. And this obviously, much like the hallway conversations, where you would want to ask questions that are not of a personal nature, but are of things that pertain to the course that you think other students would want to know about, right? Otherwise, you would email me, and if you switch over here to the left side of the screen, you can see your inbox, and you can send a message to me if it's a personal issue. In terms, again, of the modules, you'll see here that we obviously have an assignment every week, and they are loaded into the modules. One of the things that I like about the modules for Canvas is that you have this nice overview here. You have the assignments due, and then you can actually click through to the next thing, which are the learning materials, and you can scroll through all of those. And then you can click next again, and here, voila, you will be at the journal, right? And you can see up here, I'm not in a group here for this student view, but you can click on your group and you can actually create your journal assignment, right? And actually upload it, or actually create it in a text box, okay? So you can see here, it's very user friendly, and it's just really a way that for many instructors, it's going to give us the opportunity to be more interactive with you, and in a very simple and simplistic way that we would be able to be interactive with you. And I really appreciate that much more than what we had in Blackboard. Coming back here to the left-hand side, clicking on grades, and that's the last thing we're going to go into any detail with. You can see here that you can quickly see your grades, right? You can quickly see what your score is, and you can click on here and you can actually get your feedback. So really very user-friendly, really something that as I move forward with using it, and I hope that as you guys move forward with using it, that you find it to be something that's actually much more interesting, more interactive, and much easier than using Blackboard. So I will leave you with that, and hopefully I know many of you have been able to go through the course, and I think that you don't need a lot of help with it, but if you would happen to need help, then please, by all means, put something on the community forum or send me a personal email, okay? Take care.